Hello everyone, this is Leeba Jacob, teacher in JHP Sardar Primary English School. Today, I am going to teach you chapter number 1 of Social Studies. Students of Standard 6, Social Studies is a new subject for you this year. What is Social Studies? Social Studies is a study of human beings and its relationship with environment. Social Studies is divided into three parts: history, geography, and civics. What is history? History is a study of the past, particularly people and events of the past. Study of the past is a fascinating journey. It gives us a chance to learn about how people lived, ate, and dressed many years ago. It also enables us to discover more about ourselves. History is the true story of human growth and civilization. It enables us to discover why, when, where, and how certain things happened. What is the need of knowing about the past? It is necessary to have the knowledge of the past to know and understand the present situation. Who are historians? The people who are specialized in the study of history are called historians. They are like detectives who gather information and put together the story of the past. They will use some sources as evidences of their history. The sources of history can either be archaeological or literary. Some archaeological sources are vessels, ornaments, coins, tools, etc. While Tatpatras, Bhojpatras, stone inscription, copper plates, etc. are literary sources. Who is an archaeologist? An archaeologist is a person who excavated the remains and studies them closely. Archaeological sources can include ancient remains, monuments recovered as a result of excavation and exploration. Skeletal remains can be weapons, pottery, tools, coins, etc. These are some sources of history. Our next topic is Millennium Gallery. In December 2000, most of the newspapers had published various articles with the photographs on the incidents and events of the 20th century, which became famous as Millennium Gallery. These are the images of Tatpatras and Bhojpatras. What are Tatpatras? During ancient times, the volume or articles were written on the dried palm leaves. This is known as Tatpatras. What are Bhojpatras? A special type of tree named Bhoj is found on Himalayan mountains. Articles were written on the bark of the Bhoj tree that are called Bhojpatras. Then, some of the manuscripts are kept in some of the archives. Archives are the places which store historical records. These manuscripts are written mostly in Pandu scripts. They were kept in the archives, but most of them have been destroyed by insects. Some of them are still preserved in temples, viharas, libraries, and government museums. What is a stone inscription? It is the writing which are carved on stone. They are called stone inscription. In ancient times, the main incidents like achievements of kings, writings of borders, and treaties with other states were carved on the stones or metal plates. These metal plates and stone writings are known as inscriptions, which exist even today and are preserved in archives such as the National Archives of Delhi. These are the images of some primitive utensils: vessels, ornaments, and tools. As I said, these are some archaeological sources of history. Utensils, stone, tools, and ancient ornaments are found during excavations, that is, during archaeological diggings. These give us information about our history. During excavation, the different objects are found and give us authentic information about the past. These sources are very useful and so they are kept in different archives. Some of the famous archives in Gujarat are Sri Hemchandracharya Library, Patan, that is in North Gujarat, LD Institute of Indology, Navrangpura, Ahmedabad, Tribal Museum, Gujarat Vidyapith, Ahmedabad, Mahavira Jain Aradhana Kendra, Koba, Gandhinagar. Thank you.